Hi, this is Richard from SleepHaven. Just out doing some guttering at the moment. As you notice, the weather's starting to improve. It's getting nice and sunny. However, we've had a bit of a cold snap, and what it's doing to some of the moss on your roofs, it's become quite dry and brittle like this. And what's happening, the birds are getting up onto your roof, pigeons, birds, sparrows, whatever, and they're pecking at some of the grubs that might be within this. And as you can see, it's quite brittle. So as they're pecking to get to the grubs and lifting it off, it's now all falling into your gutters. We've just done a property and it was full of all this. So that's why it's going to get really dry and brittle, and this needs clearing. Otherwise, as the rain, as we start getting into later on in the year and the rain comes along, this is then all going to turn into like sludge and thicker sludge, and that's then going to start blocking your downpipes and your gutters. So this is why it's important now to start getting your gutters clean, to get rid of some of all this brittle moss that's coming off your roof. Anyway, if you want us to pop round and give you a quote, just give us a call on 01327 342 594 and we'll get rid of some of this for you. Alright, take care.